So hello everyone. So in a previous video, we understood that what exactly the directors is and how to install it. So once you install it, you can access it by using this particular link. You have to log in by means of your given user ID and password. And when you visit the particular directors, you can see this particular view. Okay. Now, before that, you can change the settings. Okay, you can mention the project name and the modules and the security. Lots of options are there. So, project us a demo. This is my project name. Project description. Hi, this is my first project on Direct Us. So basically, these informations are needed for metadata. Again, you can provide the URL. So directors demo your wish. I just don't want any kind of a confusion. So I'm just mentioning the project name as a project URL. Then default language you can select. Okay. So your wish. Then there are some modules. First, we will understand what exactly the modules are and the data models and all these things. So module bar is nothing but this. Okay. So when you log in your project and what kind of a menus you want to see. So basically now for this admin login, it's showing this content, user directory, then there is a file library, insights, documentations, and settings. So if you want to add some but another link, you can go ahead. So my module, search the icon. The icons are already available. So what I'll do, I'll just interactive space and the module URL. Okay, so whatever the module URL you have, that you can go ahead and you just create another module, my module, and the link is available. So whenever you click on that particular module, it will just redirect you to that link. So it's kind of a menu. We are creating the menu. Okay, so right now these are the things. So I'm just deleting it. Settings, you can't change. Then documentation, if you want to delete, you can delete, you can check, uncheck, whatever the modules you want to display for your project, your wish. Okay, I want these things because I want to explore. I want to show you what exactly these modules are. So I'm just maintaining it. Again, security auth password policy. Again, how many times you can attempt. So basically, I'm just reducing the attempts to at least 5. Okay. Password policy. Now it's none and not recommended. Now, if you want that, you can go ahead with the weak password, then strong to register your particular application, this project. Okay. So I am just maintaining it non. Let's check it weak, minimum 8 character. Then user registration. So user registration should be, we have to display we want to display the model for the registration or not. So just user registration, let's stick it. User role, we have to select, okay, there is no role. We have to create the roles by visiting this user directory. So we will see this thing ahead also, but I'm just showing you what exactly the uh, features are available while you're setting the project. Okay. Verify email filters. Okay. There are rules you can add. Okay. This email address, uh, we don't want to access or kind of a things. Okay. File storage. So root files, transformation, reporting, mapping. Okay. Lots of image editors and all these things are available. So we will see each and everything in detail, but for right now, to create a project, we are just maintaining this much setting. If you want to, yes, keep editing, let's check it, save it. Then go back to the appearance. If you want to change the color, you can change it. project logo. If you want to change the logo, you can. If you want to select the project logo, you can select it from the device. Let me check what I have in my device. I don't have anything. Downloads, .png files are there. Okay. Okay, fine. I'll just select this one. Directors open. So it is project logo. Sorry, logo. Public foreground. If you want something, background, some images, then public icon. Okay, I don't have any right now. Public notes, then themes. Okay. So light, dark themes. Okay, let's select the dark theme. Director's default, minimum, color match, then light theme customization. Again, if you want a kind of a customization, lots of things are there related to the font, color, navigation, header, play with it, and try and error. Okay. So no one is going to explain each and everything about any kind of a software. You have to just try and error. What are the different features? Okay. So go ahead. Next is the default dark theme customization. If you want kind of a custom CSS, you can go ahead, tick mark. So it's get changed. Okay. We selected the dark theme and now it's get changed. So uh, let's set it to the default. Web. Okay. Okay. Just a minute. Color, if fine, but I want something sync with the system. Now it's quite okay. Orange is little bit disturbing, but fine. Let's focus on the understanding of the concepts. Now, bookmark. Okay, if you want to create the preset, okay, now we'll understand what exactly the preset is. Bookmarks are in some previous next videos. Okay, what are the flows? What are the access control? You have to create the user, you have to provide some roles, okay, some accesses to that particular user, okay, extensions and marketplace translations are available, okay. What are the different languages you want to view particular website, okay, or this particular project, your wish, okay. So these are these are the settings related to our project. So we have done it. Okay, minimal requirement we have completed. First, we understand the concept and slowly we will go through all these things again. Okay, now let's create collection. Okay, so create a collection, what you will do? Article, treat as a single object. Single object, it means it should have only one data. So we don't want to treat it as a single object. So primary key is nothing but a ID. If you want to generate it auto increment integer, auto increment big integer, or generate UUID, I'll just select this one. This is more preferable for me. So let's go ahead. So I have created the collection named is nothing but an article. Collection is nothing but a kind of a table. And in that table, we have created one primary key field column with the name of ID. And it gets generated automatically. Okay. Now, these are some optional fields which are built in provided by the directors. If you want to select it, fine. Status, I want the status. I want the date created, date updated. Now, these are the editable. Okay. So, if you want to change it, you can change it. Date created, like you can change it. Okay. I'm just maintaining what exactly they are right now. Updated by, okay, we are just maintaining the revisions. Okay, what is the previous data, when it's get updated, who updated that particular data. So there's another field updated by, so I'm not checking it right now. User created, who created this particular field, that is also not needed. If you want to sort, check it whether you want to sort that particular data or not, and just whatever the requirement fulfilled, then you can go ahead with the tick. And now it's uh, collection created with the default columns. Okay, now let's create our own field. Okay, now you are creating the field, but what kind of a field you want? You want autocomplete, block editor, code, a text area, or markdown, or YSSI, SWYG, or HTML page, or toggle. It's a date time or repeater. Select what kind of a data you want. So currently I want the input type, and it's a simple data of type string, and the key name is nothing but a article name. Okay, I'm just maintaining name. I don't want any default value. It's a required. I just making it compulsory. Make it short. This kind of a metadata are important. Placeholder or enter article, or we can say it as a title. Title instead of a name, title. Left icon, if you want, you can mention the icon here. So article, okay, let it be. Right icon, you can select the right icon and then save. So after that, title, then again, okay. Let's select the text area. Okay, because I want to write the description. So DESC, it's a text, null, required, obviously. I'm just maintaining limit, okay, 255. Then enter, write it in short, limit is 255. Trim start and end, font, clear the value. Okay, now save it. Okay, now one thing you can do, edit the, duplicate the field, hide the field, half field. Okay, so we can do the half field like this. Okay, so you can make it short and full field. Okay, so you can see if I say half field, so if I say it has a half field, it get reduced, and again half field, it get reduced. It's a form, right? So I don't want it as a half field. So full width. So this is also full width. Let it be. Okay, and let's create a one more thing. I want an image to be uploaded. Okay, so image image type, okay, null, file library root, okay, save. So here it is. So I have created one article collection. Okay, now what we need to do after creation, what we need to do, we need to enter the values, right? So let's go ahead, content. So here is the article. It's saying that there are no atoms found. Create an atom. Okay. So status. Okay. Draft, archived. Okay. So this is the article. So it's a draft one, archived and or published. So I'm just making it as a publish. My director's demo. See, you can see that there are the placeholders and suggestions are showing. Hi. This is my first article. So you can drag and drop the image, or you can just select the image, or you can provide the link or URL. So I'm just selecting this particular image. It's selected. Okay, and now enter, save. Now you can see whatever I have entered, I able to see it's in a tabular format. Okay, so this is the description, image, status, title. Okay. Now you don't want it should be displayed like this, so you can change it. So here are the options. Okay, information, then there is a layout option, then there is archive, show active items, then archive items, show all items, auto refresh, export import in the form of a CSV or a JSON, So this particular data can be exported easily. So we don't have to write in command and these things like we used to do in a MySQL, right? So in a layout option, which type of options you want? If you want it in the form of a cards, or if you want it in the form of a calendar, calendar is not so required. It's a map. There are different options are there. So right now I'm just making it in the form of a card. Okay. Again below you can see the image source, then you can see the title. Okay, what it should do, it should add the ID. Again you can say it should add the status or what. Okay, then it should date created, then subtitle will be the what, status, then sort, whatever the things you want, title. Okay, so my director, so it's been added like this. So if you want something advanced, so scroll down, image width is a crop, so you can use it as a contain, whatever the requirement. Okay, fallback icon, so if you want something like this, you can select it. Okay, so these are the advanced features about the layout. So let's go ahead to the article. So like this, we can create, again here also you can decrease or increase the size, okay, of a thumbnail. So here you can see it's a minimum card size, okay. If it's selected little big, little big, little big, okay. So one item deleted, again you can sort it, delete it, edit it. So let's edit. So you can edit the things if you want. So these are the options are available. So in this videos, we understood how to create a collection, how to set the things, how to display the layout, how to add the items. Now we will explore more features. Okay, these are the only basic thing. Okay, so what we have created, we created one article. In that article, we created some fields. Okay, and in that fields, we created some items. Okay, we added the values. Those are called as items in a directory. So for the new features and extra features, let's go ahead with the new video. Thank you so much. Take care.